I was sitting around one day and I was like, you know what? I want to just make a classic travel video. The video I've always wanted to make. Since my early aspirations of filmmaking, I've always dreamed of creating a video with a tropical vibe. I got my GoPro and a drone and decided to fly out to Puerto Rico with my friend Colin. Puerto Rico has everything that fits a classic travel video narrative. Tall mountains, waterfalls, beautiful beaches, and more. It's one of the easiest trips I've ever made, yet so underrated as a destination. While I was here, I kept thinking of a Spanish phrase that fit how I felt, which is "Sé feliz," the title of this video. In English, this simply means be happy. I truly believe it is essential to take moments in your life to just breathe and to let go. Taking time and doing whatever it is that makes you happy. It's often hard to get that when we're so used to a fast-paced lifestyle.
Hey, look, here's another one. Oh, yeah. Here we go, baby.
It is my belief that if you set your life up for yourself to accomplish your goals, work hard, and never let go of your dreams or passions, you'll somehow make it happen. That is what this trip represented for me, even if you have to make sacrifices. But the moment you stop believing in yourself and your abilities is the moment you lost. If you want something bad enough, you have to fight for it. Every time I step onto a plane, I'm filled with a sense of curiosity and adventure. The moments you pull up to the gate and step off the aircraft onto a foreign land, having no idea what's in store, are the moments I feel the most alive. When I was a kid, I climbed every tree I saw, swam like a hungry shark, and sought out adventure at every turn. I can't end this video without a final word of encouragement. Just go for it. Plan your life out to do what you want, make sacrifices, and live in your means. Do this and be positive and kind. Eventually your path will appear and you can just go for it. One thing I learned from this trip is that if you're gonna send it, go full send. And remember, sé feliz.
We gotta go. This is zoom in. Look at that. Oh, I got the oh, don't drop the coat. I got the wrong way. Right, here we go. Ready? Here we go. Open it. Open. Oh man, looks so good. So good. Look at that Coke right next to it. We are ready. We were sweating that they were gonna say something out of the bag, but we're good to go.